A warm Christian greetings. I'm Dr. Art Tagle, Dean of Criminal Justice College, and I'm very happy to talk about something that can truly change your life. The College of Criminal Justice now, when you hear the word criminology, you might think of police officers, investigations, and crime scenes. But what you see in the TV shows or movies, but in real life, criminology is more than just catching criminals. It's about understanding people, protecting the innocent, and making our community safe and peaceful. Criminology is not just a course, it's a calling. A calling for those who have the heart to serve, the courage to lead, and the discipline to stand for what is right. In the College of Criminal Justice, we don't just train students to wear a uniform. We train them to wear integrity. We don't just prepare them for the board exam. We prepare them for the real life challenges, where honesty, loyalty, and justice matter most. Here, you will learn many exciting things, discover how crimes are investigated, how evidence is analyzed, and how peacekeeping is done, and how laws protect people. You will have hands-on training in forensic science, self-defense, criminal law, and public safety. You will take part in crime scene simulation, leadership training, and even community outreach programs that allow you to serve the public early on. But beyond the lessons and activities, criminology teaches you one thing that no textbook can ever fully explain, and that is the value of discipline and service. Because at the end of the day, being a criminology student means part of something bigger than yourself, the mission to protect others and uphold justice. So, if you are someone who dreams of wearing a uniform, someone who wants to fight for peace, someone who wants to be protected, not for the power, but for the principle, then the College of Criminal Justice is for you. You can become a police officer, investigator, and correctional officer, forensic analysis, or even a future lawyer. But more importantly, you can become a leader protector, a symbol of honor in community. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in the College of Criminal Justice, where courage meets purpose.